So this is Ido. Say hi, Ido.
Hi.
So Ido invented this morning an amazing stretch goal. Gesture controlled paper airplane, just like a Kinect. And he's going to show you how it works. What we did this morning, we just simply took a wrist strap, put the iPhone inside, and it's just magic. It works so easily. So let's see how it works, Ido. Show us how you turn it on. Okay. You see the rudder moves according to the wrist movement. And now he's going to show you how easy it is to fly. This is his second flight ever. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.